Hi everyone, Sylvia Gorenszach here, and I am a Gel Moment independent distributor. How is everybody doing? So today, I'm talking about something that is very exciting and that we have been waiting for a long time, and it's called Gel Extend, and it comes with some nail forms too if you choose to get the kit. So Gel Extend allows you to extend your nail, just like I did here. Because it didn't match the others. Yes, I know my pinky is really short. That was a really bad break, and there's some skin that's exposed here, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit before I build that one. But at least I was able to extend this nail to make it kind of match the others. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this thumb for you today. So when you get Gel Extend, the polish here is HEMA free, which is awesome. It's our typical 5 free, but it does last up to 21 days on your nails. It's super, super strong. I used to, whenever I had ripped nails, I would use the tea bag patch if you've seen my other video. And now with this one, I think you just need 2 coats, because I had this nail right here was tearing, and it was tearing to about here, and you can see that you can't even see the tear. This has been on for 24 hours and it is so strong. This is not going anywhere, and there's no tea bag patch there. So not only are you saving product using your Clearly Frisky, because that would be like almost 3 or 4 coats. Don't have to mess around with the tea bag. You just put 2 coats on and you have a strong nail. So, but today's purpose is to build the length of this thumb. So let's get right to it. First thing that you got to do is buff your nail. So just do a slight buffing. That's all you really need. I always buff from the the cuticle down to the tip, because it's the grain of your nail. So kind of buff with it. And then you're going to take your cleanser pad and cleanse the nail really well. You also want to cleanse underneath any kind of white that you have underneath your nail, so anything that's hanging over, because you want to get all of those oils off of your nail. Next, you want to take the Gel Extend and apply a thin coat. Be sure to embrace the gap so you can see how thick this polish is. It's super thick. It's awesome. It's very strong. Introducing our nail forms. They come in a package of 5. They are completely reusable. So just take one, pop it off to the side. Now, when you're putting this on your nail, you want to make sure that this bar is actually not on your nail. So I just bend it down a little bit so that it won't go across your fingernail. And then you want to size it up and put it underneath your nail all the way around. So here and here. And once you think that you have the right position, you just pinch it down. Pinch these down so that it keeps it in place. So now when you're looking at the nail form, you want to make sure that it's as level with your nail as much as you can, and not too much of a downward angle, or else your nail is going to be, your natural nail is like to here, right? And then your build will be pointing down. So you want to make sure that it is up as possible and as snug underneath as possible as well. Give it a good pinch. Once you have it in the right spot, then you can start polishing. Another thing I should mention is that in order to build a nail, you do need a little bit of white to your nail. So you need a little bit of growth. If you don't have that growth, then it's going to be quite difficult to build that nail. So what you should do is put a little bit of Fortify on there, or Repair, make that nail nice and strong, and use one of our cuticle oils 3 to 5 times a day, and just let it grow out for a few days or a week, just until you get a little bit of white, so that you can put this underneath nice and snug, okay? So now we're going to take our Gel Extend. You can see how thick it is. It's awesome. So you just want to put a little bit on the joint of the nail, so where the nail meets the form. And you could use these lines as a guideline for how long you want to make it. Gel Moment's recommendation is 2 millimeters, because anything beyond that might not be as strong as you would like. So we're just going to keep it shorter, on the shorter side. 2 millimeters doesn't sound like much, but when you're actually putting it on the nail, it's quite a bit of growth. Or quite a bit of length. So I'm just putting it on the joint here, and then I'm going to polish the whole nail and join it all together, making sure to embrace the gap all the way around, okay? Okay, so now when you're looking at your polish here, you just want to make sure that it's as level as possible. So you have to build it up just a little bit. You can do that and just put a little bit on there so you don't have a divot. And I'm just doing that. It looks pretty good. So now you just take this and put it underneath the lamp, and cure it for the full 45 seconds or 60 seconds, depending which lamp that you have. Now that that is fully cured, you're just going to open up the wire part of it, and now you want to pop this off. Now it can be a little bit tricky, but it will just pop off. There you go. And now we have the build. Now you can shape your extended nail. Now that that's done, you can take your cleanser pad, and this is from earlier, and you could have wiped it before you shape your nail as well, but there is a little bit of tackiness on here, so you just want to wipe it all off. And there you have it. Now it's ready for polish. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I would love the support, and we'll see you in my next one. Ciao, ciao for now.